Hi teacher, I am Maria Jose Morales. I don't have pets, but I will talk about the lions, also known as the king of the jungle. Lions are the only big cats to living in groups. They work together to defend territory and hunt. The females in the prides tend to the majority of the hunting. They work as a group and use intelligent hunting tactics to catch prey, which they would not be able to catch alone as they are faster than them. Lions enjoy relaxing and lazing around. They spend between 16 and 20 hours each day resting and sleeping. They have few sweet glands, so they wisely tend to conserve their energy by resting during the day and become more active at night when it is cooler. Lions roar to communicate their position to other prey. A lion's roar is the largest of any big cat and can be heard up to 8 kilometers away. Lions have terrific night vision. They are 6 times more sensitive to light than humans. This gives them a distinct advantage over some prey species when hunting at night. They communicate through a variety of vocalization, including purrs, snarls, and hissing. Lions are really beautiful animal. Nothing more. Really beautiful. Thank you. Bye, teacher.